When we signed on to the Excelerator growth program 18 months ago, it was just me and my partner. Now we have a team of 10 and a balance sheet of 1.3 million. I'm Ian Bond of Bond Digital Health, and we're an Accelerated growth program client. You start off with your pet project, your great world-shaking idea, and suddenly you realize that you've got to be on top of so many things to get to market, and that can be daunting. I have lung disease, COPD, and that's a huge burden to the health services and of course the patients and their families. The total societal cost exceeds several billions in the UK alone, and it's the third largest cause of death. I developed something that I knew could have an effect in this area, and my partner has digital expertise, and I have a patient's understanding of lung disease, and we set out to build a self-management platform. But in terms of launching a business in a totally new field, life science, we were out of our depth. But to find that our AGP relationship manager understood what we were setting out to do and could put us in touch with experts was an enormous shot in the arm, especially knowing that those experts were genuinely qualified and they'd walk the walk. It's Welsh Government's secret sauce, and like sauce you can use as much or as little as you want. Social media, marketing, team building, financial management, corporate issues, preparing for investment. And they were just some of the areas where we've had that expert guidance. And we made full use of it. And the relationship manager's been there with us as we've developed our business model and expanded. He's been a shoulder to cry on, somebody to have a real moan with when the going got tough. And from all of that, we built a talented and enthusiastic team. We have clients and strategic relationships worldwide, and we're the go-to company in our field. We're on track for 100 million business in 5 years. 40 high-level jobs paying above Welsh average, exporting, putting value into the Welsh economy. And doing all of that while meeting the goal that we set out to achieve. Doing some good for chronic disease patients and the health services. Could we have done all this without AGP? Not as well, not as quickly. Our vision and opportunities would not have expanded as they have. Would I want to go back and try and do it all again without AGP? No. If you're a startup and you have the idea, the passion and the ambition, start up smart. Talk to AGP.